Bro, what is this guy doing? Oh, but I'm here. Yeah. No maggot.
Oh my god.
Oh, he wants to smoke right away. Damn. This guy wants to smoke right away.
Again.
Yeah, because he didn't even let him finish his fucking dialogue. Oh. Okay, relax. Relax.
I think so.
Get away. Okay. Oh, nice.
Oh, I fell all the way to the bottom.
Nice. Wow.
Alright, Marco, you're fighting the boss, right?
Hold on.
I just want to say this. I personally think DS2 is the best Souls game ever. Dark Souls 2, Small the Person is the best Souls game ever.
That's your opinion?
It's true. Better than Bloodborne for sure. Better than Dark Souls 2.
I don't know about that.
What do you mean?
Wow, grab attack.
Better explanation. Better. Oh my god. Better exploration. Better weapon variety.
I don't think so.
What? Crazy.
Oh, weapon variety? Well, I mean, trick weapons in Bloodborne is different. Oh, what the hell? What just happened? You're about to die.
Better,
like, did you just get a second wind? Like, you're dead, bro. I disagree with you.
It's okay.
I don't think it's bad, though. It's a good game, but it's not the best.
Maybe it's just better than